Starting from Tadasana, grounding through the feet, squeezing the thighs together, neutralizing the pelvis, lifting the rib cage, drawing the shoulder blades down. And let's bend the knees, and we're taking from the hip joint, we're going down, so you can change the position of the spine. Keep on squeezing the knees together. Feel your thighs burning, and don't arch the spine here. Try to keep it neutral and to engage the core, maybe slightly tuck the tailbone in, but don't round. Keep on pushing with the feet through the ground, squeezing the thighs and knees together. Drawing the shoulders down away from the ears. Inhaling, lifting the arms up. Exhaling, let's place the palms together in Anjali Mudra in front of your chest. Inhaling here one more time deeply. As you exhale, empty the belly and twisting from the spine with the help of your core muscle. Tuck the left elbow on the outside of the right thigh. To change the position of the legs and knees. Keep your core active. Keep the shoulders away from each other in line, perpendicular with the floor. Keep on pushing with the palms towards each other. Engage your pectoral muscles, your chest muscle. And if you feel here comfortable and steady, you can spread the arms away from each other. Keep the shoulders in line, feel your core active. And place the palms together, inhaling slowly, standing up, and let's switch to the other side.